said yes. I was surprised. Amazing. Love rainbow colors. Now, when you talk about rainbow colors, I know, DJ, do you know how many colors we have in rainbow? How many? 9. He said 9. He's wrong. Tell him, is it 9? Yeah. 11? 7. Now, who will raise your hands up and tell me what do you think the painting looks like? Yes. What does it look like? Like a bird, like a rainbow? A bird, okay. A bird. Peacock? Rainbow, okay, yeah. Rainbow. Rainbow. Flower. DJ, what do you think it looks like? Fire also. Okay, DJ said flyer. I said, I think it's ice cream. No? Hey, is this ice cream? No. Is this a parrot or a bird? No. Is it rainbow? Hey, hey, look, look. It's an animal jumping on the tree. Monkey. Wait, there are so many monkeys. Is this chimpanzee? No. Is this orangutan? Is it gorilla? Oh, something looks like gorilla. What looks like gorilla? Face. Whose face? Hey, whose face are you talking about? Me? My face. Hey, John, my face like a gorilla to you? Kids, do I look like a monkey? Who's saying yes will not go outside, huh? Thank you so much. You appreciate John Love in the house. Thank you.